Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sia, and if you're seeing my video for the very first time, then hi. I make mostly lifestyle related content on my channel and sometimes skincare and makeup as well. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So my night routines aren't always like this, yet I'm trying to incorporate these tiny little habits to my daily routine so that it really helps to get started with the productive morning the next day. These tips are very practical, so if you're interested, you can also apply them and implement them in your lives as well. So while I'm studying or filming or whatsoever, I end up messing things around, which I feel so lazy to clean baad mein. So I make sure to clean it so that it becomes easier for me to carry on with the rest of the tasks that needs to be done. So I make sure to clean the environment jaldi se, warna baad mein I feel so lazy to clean it. So पहला task होता है कि I clear up or clean my entire space. Now that I have cleared it all, cleaned it all, it's time to actually work out for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm being honest, I'm not working out or doing those exercises to lose weight. मेरे को ऐसा मेरा intention वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I'm trying to be active, like I'm trying to keep my body active. So at least 10 to 15 minutes working out तो बनता ही है. So now that I have worked out, I feel super exhausted. Not every day, but mostly I feel super exhausted, and it depends कि मैं कितना exhausted हूँ उस time पे, whether I should take a shower or wash my hair or not. But on most days I just wash my face and do some skincare. ऐसा don't expect that I'm gonna do a skincare वो proper जो beauty gurus करते हैं वैसा कुछ नहीं. It's a simple rose toner or some any other toner, a moisturizer and a lip balm. That's it. मेरा skincare बस उतना ही होता है for the night. And if I feel to pamper my skin on special days, like ऐसा मन होता है कि आज मेरा skin को मैं थोड़ा pamper करूँ ये वो, then मैं कुछ और extra steps add करती हूँ अपने routine में. But mostly I just wash my face with a face wash, with a regular face wash. Face washes a switch होता है इधर उधर, but mostly I stick to the Pond's one if I'm not wrong, and sometimes the Good Vibes one. I switch between these two, and both these face washes are charcoal. Once I've done washing my face, I just sit down in front of the mirror and do my hair and skincare sometimes. So now that I am cleaned, my environment is cleaned, it's actually time to sit down and plan for the next day. So what I do is I just grab my notebook and sit down on this particular desk and plan mine, because you know when you are doing all the things by yourself, आपके ऊपर कोई boss नहीं है, like you have no upper hand to control what you are doing, then a proper planning can literally become a game changer. When you plan something well, the tasks that you need to do becomes half done. So I create a proper to-do lists and all for the next day. So now that it's all planned what I have to do for the next day, I plan my outfit for the next day. If there is a video that I'll be shooting the next day, I plan the night before that what outfit I will be wearing the next day when I'll be filming this particular video. Or I hope you get my point. So I just plan the entire outfit and I lay it in front of me so that there will be a least chance for me to find excuse and procrastinate. Now that everything is sorted, it's actually time to set the alarms and set. So yeah, that was it for my night routine, and I'm really trying to put this night routine in my daily habit, because a proper night routine can actually help you in the next morning. You can really become productive. So yeah, that was it for the video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more such productivity videos, let me know down below as well. So with that, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.